Once upon a time, there was a car that had no color, and that made it very sad. 'Twas the night before Christmas. The car was sleeping in the side street when all of a sudden a big bang woke it up. The car curiously backed out of its parking space and saw a man dressed all in red, sighing in despair. "My sleigh is broken. How can I deliver all these presents now?" The car honked softly and opened its trunk. It might have had no color, but it surely had the biggest trunk. The man smiled at the car, put all the presents in the trunk, and off they flew. "With a helper like you, we will surely make it in time," laughed the man as they soared through the starry night. And what a long night it was. When they came back, it was already Christmas Day. The man got out of the car and said, "You have been very brave tonight, my little car. But there is one present we forgot to deliver." "Whom does this present belong to?" asked the car. "To you, my friend," replied the man. "It is a present from me and my old pal, Rudolph here." Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, trotted up to his new friend, and as they bumped their snouts, the car turned the most wonderful shade of red. "So far, there has only been one thing in the whole world of the color reindeer red," explained the man. "From now on, there will be two. That is why today, nobody remembers the story about the car that had no color. But there will always be a story about the reindeer red car. Škoda Reindeer Red, the official car color of Christmas.